You will be surprised how this phone is horribly repaired. There is the hot glue gun everywhere. There is one on the charger port and also on the side of the battery. It's so horrible. It's not only that, but also there is on the front camera and on the earpiece. Do you think it's the end? Of course not. Look at this. Also at the back of the battery. I don't know what kind of repair is this, and guys, be careful to whom you are giving your phones. Alright, so let's start by cleaning it up and taking off all of this mess out of it and just restoring it and changing up the battery to a new one. I will start by taking off the screen by opening all the screws. I will disassemble the tactic engine so I have free space so I can clean up all this mess around the battery. Then I will take it out from its place. I will try to remove as much as possible all the hot glue gun that it was around the frame of the phone. And I will put a double-sided tape. Not a lot of it, just a little bit, so the new person who is going to repair this phone, it will be much easier for them to take it out. Later I will just put everything back together, the screen, the tactic engine, and finally putting the battery back in place. Connecting it to the charger, and here we go, it's working.